Yo, we have a very unique pair of Air Jordan 1s inside the box right here. Can't wait to break them down, show them to you guys, and get y'all honest opinions, y'all honest take on something that was really hyped up before, and I've resale value. Seemed like everything done did, but it might change. We're gonna talk about it today, man. Let's get into it. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping back in. I was gone for a couple days, but that won't happen again. You know what I'm saying? So I hope you guys are about to enjoy today's video. If you're new to the channel, man, make sure you sub up right now. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that does drop over here, and please leave a huge like on today's video, man. We got something early coming in tomorrow, so I need everybody to stay tuned for all that. Pull back up to tomorrow's video. We're gonna break them things down, throw them on feet, because I really think that those right there are going to be a little bit more sought after than everybody expected, man. So let's jump into today's unboxing. All right, so if you guys have not skipped the video yet, you just watching, you enjoying the content, these right here actually already dropped on the Nike sneakers app. Everybody kind of knew about it. Once you get those little rumor mills going on Twitter, on Instagram, and everybody's telling you about it, then you probably know, that these was going to shock drop. But me, myself, I knew about it, right? Knew about it, was on the app when it happened, and I still end up taking a huge L, which kind of sounds like a broken record at this point. Sneakers has not been friendly to your boy at all, but I was like, you know what, I gotta get these things, break them down and see how they look in hand, because before the drop, like, the resale was just crazy, and now it's getting a little bit more reasonable. Maybe some people can add these to the collection that's huge fans of these sneakers. And yeah, without further ado, man, let's pop these things open real quick, man. Shouts out to the lovely Gold app. You guys see the box? Y'all see the box, man? I thought it came in something a little bit more extravagant than this, but I guess it didn't. And yeah, man, let's go ahead and get into these things, bro. Let's go ahead and get into them. My first time seeing these in hand, and they are super in there. Like, all right, that did not go as expected, but we finally in here, man. Check it out. Air Jordan 1 box. You guys know I'm a sucker for Air Jordan 1s, really, for like the last couple years. All I've really been rocking is 1s, 3s, and 4s. But yeah, let's go ahead and read the fish colorway. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG SP University Red and Black. And of course, we got these bad boys in a size 9. Recommend everybody going through the size of Air Jordan 1s. And let's flip the top open. You guys see it, man. Got the GOAT sticker right here. Authentication process. You guys already know how it goes. So let's go ahead and check these things out, man. In 3, 2, 1, and bam, man. Check them out. We have the Air Jordan 1 Spider-Verse 2.0s, man. So go ahead and pull both of these out of the box. I feel like I have so much to say about this sneaker, and I want to start off when we first got the official images, or the rumor images of these Air Jordan 1s right here. People trashed. They trashed these Air Jordan 1s right here. People said they're not going for them. People said they ain't want them. People said they could have kept them. But now, like, we got that shock drop, and it was about, I think it was like 50 or 60 some thousand pairs of these. Maybe not even that. But a lot of people seem to want the Air Jordan 1 Spider-Verses, and I all think that's due to the fact what the first pair did. If you guys don't know, the first Spider-Verses are going for like $600. I know in my size 9, like $500-$600. And I can see the trend happening as well with a 2.0 version of the Spider-Verse. It's super unique colorway. It's definitely nothing normal. And I've seen a couple videos, I've seen a couple of pictures of these, and I figured out that they glow in the bottom for your outsole, which I thought was another crazy touch, another crazy hit. But just looking all around the sneaker, man, you guys see, kind of get that iridescent kind of, sparkly upper. You got some patent leather, you got some suede, you got some nubuck, you got all types of stuff for these Air Jordan 1s right here. And I said, you know what, I thought that I wasn't gonna grab them. I never said it was trash. I did say I might pass on them, but after seeing them in hand, I ain't trying to gas it, y'all. I really ain't. I do think that these are a dope pair of Air Jordan 1s, man. I'm a huge Spider-Man fan. I'm a super huge, Marvel fan in general. So to have these in the collection is super dope. And I know there's a lot of people out there as well that really love Marvel, that really love, Spider-Man, and they want to add these joints in the collection as well, man. So here you have them. Air Jordan 1 Spider-Verse 2.0s, definitely not as bad as I thought they were when I seen the first initial images that was, spread around internet last year. People were dogging them. I wish I would do like a little thread. That's what I'm gonna start doing. I'm gonna make a video about like some of the rumored pictures and the rumored mock-ups that we get for sneakers, and I'm gonna test everybody's energy. I'm gonna test everybody's temperature with the drop, because I know it was a huge shift of energy, whole shift of mood towards a sneaker when these actually did shock drop. And when you get them in hand, I'm telling y'all, they are a lot better. And there was people on Twitter, I'm gonna put little screenshots up here. People said that these are better than the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found. Y'all probably think I'm kidding. Y'all probably think I'm lying when I tell y'all this. It was a lot of tweets, it was a lot of replies on this one little thread where somebody said that these Air Jordan 1 Spider-Verse 2.0s were better than the Lost and Founds. Now, I don't know if I go that far. I don't know if I go that far, but I do think that these are a lot better than, people kind of downplayed them to be. So real quick, I'm gonna grab the Lost and Founds and show y'all kind of a little quick resemblance. So here you guys have it. You got the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds right here, one of my favorite pickups of last year, and then you got the Spider-Verses. So I don't know if I go as far as saying the Spider-Verses are better, but they are a lot better than I thought they would be when we first got the images. But like I said, I'm gonna show y'all the tweets. I'm gonna show y'all the the little thread that was going on Twitter where somebody said that the Air Jordan 1 Spider-Verses are better than the Lost and Found. I probably think I'm capping, but I gotta show y'all the tweets. I gotta show y'all what they were saying, because I was like, bro, there's no way they're saying this. And it's real people. Like, it ain't no bots, it ain't no AIs. It are real people in this world that thinks that the Spider-Verse 2.0s are better than the Lost and Founds. And I'm not knocking it. Everybody likes what they like. Everybody got different tastes. Everybody got different style. So I could definitely see, why people say that the Spider-Verses are better than the Lost and Founds, man. So, hey, that's neither here nor there. Me, myself, I do not agree with that one so much, because you got something that's super close to the original Chicago's, and you got something like this that kind of did a crazy spin-off. Not as crazy as I thought. Like the first rumored pictures did not do these any justice, but it is still a super nice Air Jordan 1. And I definitely think, like, down the line, the resale will hike up tremendously, just like the original Spider-Verse 1.0s that we got, what, 2-3 years ago now. I do want to get those in the collection one day, because I'm a huge Marvel fan, huge Spider-Man fan. So I guess the 2.0s would do your boy some justice as of right now. So yeah, guys, down below in the comment section, man, let me know if you secured this pair. There is another drop coming very soon. I'm gonna drop a video talking about that here shortly, kind of putting everybody on, giving y'all a better opportunity of copping these, adding them for retail. I like them. I ain't gonna say I love them. I do like them a lot more than I initially thought I would. And I can't wait to throw these things on feet, what I'm saying, do a quick little plethora of jean options, joggers, show y'all guys how to actually rock these joints. Also, stay tuned for all that by subscribing to the channel, hit the notification bell, and please smack that like button. We're trying to get back into the algorithm, man. I appreciate all of the support. Thank you guys for tapping back in. All my social media links will be down below in the description box. With all that being said, last question to see y'all out: are the Spider-Verse 2.0s better than the Lost and Founds? That's a crazy question, I know, but you guys answer it down below in the comment section, man. Peace.